We are TRU-BRITE machinery. Model TPG50, automatic shrink-film packaging machine, a special design for rose wrapping. It can be installed to rewinding machine as an automatic production line. You can not only protect and refine your product, but also arrange manpower more effectively. TPG50 has 3 conveyors as 3 work areas. Conveyors deliver product to the processing area. It can be chosen for automatic feeding or feed by sensor detection. Shrinkable films like BOPP, PVC and PE can be used on TPG50. The overwrapping length is set manually or detected by the mark sensor. The last step, electrostatic device and thermal wing perfectly pack your product. For packing decoration, you can choose printed film or equipped with a label paper device. It will insert a piece of label before shrinking. The label will be wrapped inside the film, makes your product eye-catching. Welcome to console machine with us. We will at your service anytime.